Hi, my peeps. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm on here to talk about Gab's World Christmas giveaway. That's right, Christmas giveaway. So listen up for the rules. You have to be a new subscriber. Go through my videos, give my videos thumbs up. Okay. Write me a little note to let me know why would you qualify for the $100. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we're giving $100 to 3 people that will qualify for this giveaway. So write me a note, let me know why you will qualify, give my video thumbs up, subscribe. The contest starts today, yes, today, until the 15th. On the 20th, we will email you, ask for your Cash App information, and Cash App you the money, girl. That's right. Is that all I have to tell you? Oh, you have to email me at gabsworld7070@gmail.com. Did you get that? gabsworld70@gmail.com. Is that all I have to tell you? I think that's it, girl. So make sure you go on my page and do all that stuff and get a chance to win this money. It's just a little bit of something, but it'll buy a gift and put some food on the table. So, God bless, happy holidays, and peace.